Welcome back to this video, and in today's tutorial you are going to learn how to send money on Alipay with QR code payments. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idofish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best you can use Alipay. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to send money on Alipay with your QR code payment. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Alipay app, then take you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on scan right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on album. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply select the QR code. You must have something like this. Then select on that. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on done. Then in a quick minute, it's going to scan the QR code and the account detail is going to pump up just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on transfer. Then enter the amount. I'm going to send 5 yuan to this account. Then I'll click on transfer. Then I will enter my payment password. Just like so, payment successful on Alipay. So basically, this is how to send money on Alipay with your QR code. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks about Alipay. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to fund your Alipay, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.